next size machine in the range is the MIG250 SA. It's 50 amps more than the 200 amp machine. It also has an undercarriage on wheel with bottle holder. It has the same functions, voltmeter, electronic choke, and wire speed control with the volt and ammeter display. It has a heavier duty earth receptacle and the same Euro central connector. The machine comes standard with the MB25 torch. Make sure you keep the correct consumables for the torch in stock. The MIG250 multi-purpose can offer 3 different functions: MIG welding, TIG welding, and MMA welding. The MIG250 multi-purpose machine comes complete with the MB25 MIG torch, with the SR26 TIG torch, switch and boot, with an electro holder and cable, and with the earth clamp and cable. A gas hose, and a set of gas bottle brackets. The front of the machine consists of a volt potentiometer, an electronic choke, and a wire speed potentiometer. It also has a voltmeter and ammeter for precise settings. It has a toggle switch for arc welding, for MIG welding, and for TIG welding. It also has another toggle switch for aluminium spool welding or ordinary MIG welding. It comes with the Euro central connector, the positive receptacle, the negative receptacle, the TIG torch connector, and the spool gun connector. We'll now have a look at the rear end of the machine and start setting up the rear end of the machine. The rear end of the machine consists of a 220 volt supply and plug, a CO2 gas nipple, and an argon gas nipple. For MIG welding, we'll connect our gas hose onto the CO2 gas nipple. For TIG welding, we'll connect our gas hose onto the argon gas nipple. Alvin now will fit the bottle holder onto the machine. The bottle holders are in place. The cylinder can be fitted to the machine and secured with the chain. The first function we're going to do with the machine is MIG welding. Therefore, we're going to connect the gas hose to the CO2 nipple. And the gas hose can be fitted to the regulator and onto the gas cylinder. Let's have a look at the inside of the machine. Open the side flap. Once again, we have the reel hub assembly, we have the feed motor, we have the tensioning device, the feed rollers, and the central connector in the front. Arvin will now connect up the roller wire. Get the roller wire. Place the retaining nut. Feed the wire through the inlet guard, over the feed roller, through the outlet guard, put the tensioning device back into place, and put a bit of tension on the tensioner so the wire won't slip. The inside of the machine is ready for welding. You'll just note there's a quick feed button here. This quick feed button, once again, if you push the button, the wire will feed without pulling the trigger on the torch, therefore making the machine safe for the operator. We'll now go to the front of the machine and give you a full explanation of all the dials on the front of the machine. We'll now fit our MB25 torch. Euro connector, mating up with the central connector. Tighten the torch up. And the earth